This is the naked chicken, a bizarre invention that scientists thought would revolutionize farming, but instead it became a total disaster. Here's why. In the early 2000s, Israeli geneticist Avigdor Kahana had an idea. He wanted to create a chicken that wouldn't need to be plucked, saving farmers time and money. So he crossed a regular broiler with a naturally bald fowl, and voila, the naked chicken was born. Or was it? On paper, it sounded brilliant. No feathers means no plucking. No plucking means saving both water and labor. Bare skin also meant chickens could cool down more easily in the hot Israeli sun. And faster production meant bigger profits. Farmers would love it. Customers would love it. Everyone would love it. But then, and I quote, "But then people started dying." Okay, not exactly what we were expecting. See, the first problem was a little obvious. Chickens have evolved over millions of years to have feathers for a reason. They help regulate body temperature, protect against predators, and provide insulation against the cold. So, when the naked chicken was exposed to the elements, bad things happened. At first, there was sunburn. Turns out, chickens can get sunburned, just like us humans. Then, there were the cold nights. Without feathers to keep them warm, the chickens froze. Then there were bug bites and infections. See, the skin of a naked chicken is actually quite delicate, and it can tear easily, leaving the bird vulnerable to all sorts of nasty things. Not to mention they were stressed. Can you imagine? Being naked all the time would probably freak anyone out. But perhaps the worst part was that customers didn't seem to like the idea of eating a naked chicken. No feathers equals no flavor, apparently. Not to mention the meat was quite literally falling apart. Turns out skin doesn't have the same texture as feathers, and it doesn't stay together so well during processing. So, after all that, you're probably wondering, did anyone actually eat one of these things? Well, some did, but not willingly. The few that were sold in Israeli supermarkets were mostly bought by curious customers who wanted to try something new, or maybe they just couldn't see past the whole bird in a sweater thing. As for Avigdor Kahana, he stuck to his guns, saying the featherless chicken was an improvement over its feathery counterpart. But maybe, just maybe, some things are best left unchanged. Would you eat a featherless chicken? Comment below. And follow for more weird science flops, including more stories of